So the one thing that I have learned about this is there is no silver bullet. It takes time and resources, human resources, automated resources. The first thing you want to do, and I had a firm that learned this lesson the hard way, when COVID hit, they had a list, they hadn't used it in 5 years, but they felt like they really needed to tell clients what was going on. And so they sent a blast out through Constant Contact for the first time in 5 years. Over 50% of those emails bounced and they got shut down. Constant Contact turned their account off. Now they'll turn it back on, but it's a big pain to get it done. And so the first thing you want to do is you want to assess the mess. And so when we work with clients, we do we have a thing called True DQ. And it starts with an assessment. We have an automated and a manual process. So if the firm just wants to find out how much of your data is bad, we can, boom, click a button, in a very short period of time, very inexpensively tell you how many bad emails you have, and then we can come back and fix a lot of them automated. And that may be enough for most firms. You know, if you're going to start an alumni program and you've got a list and you haven't used it in a while, that's the first thing you want to do is just run it through that automated system so, you know, we can find out which ones are going to bounce. And then you either take them off the list, which is the baseline practice, but these are, you know, people that you care about potentially. So the better practice, if you have the time and the resources, is to actually go figure out why they bounced. Where did these people go? You know, assuming that they are a valuable resource for the firm, you want to actually update those. And again, that can be done both automated and manual as well. One of the points here is, you know, review and correct bounces after campaigns, but I've now become a big fan of remove bounces before the campaign. And, you know, again, if anybody ever needs help, we're happy to give you information ideas and best practices or actually, you know, help you with those projects too. We're at your service for that. That's what we do.